In a cozy room, Puppy Cooper finds a glowing star kite. With a happy bark, it gently lifts his little paws up he goes, flying gracefully into the sky. Soft marshmallow clouds begin to wrap around him. Floating smoothly as the wind begins to slow down, the sky changes into a quiet pastel evening glow. Cooper lands gently on a soft pink cloud platform. A grand cloud castle appears in the twilight sky, out from the gates. A wise old owl glides forward. The owl blinks its large golden eyes very kindly. The wise owl guides him down a path of bubbles. Pat go his quiet feet on the starry path. The glowing bubbles touch his tired paws softly. A gentle breeze blows through his golden fur. The magical path leads to a cozy cloud bedroom. Cooper steps inside the warm, quiet room. The air smells like sweet vanilla and lavender. His heavy eyelids drop lower as he grows sleepy. Cooper closes his eyes and lets out a long yawn. Every single muscle in his body goes completely soft. He curls tightly into a soft, fuzzy golden ball. A soft baby blanket with star patterns is draped over him. He stops moving, entering a deep, peaceful sleep. His belly rises and falls rhythmically under the blanket. Little Cooper is fast asleep. Good night and sweet dreams.